Hey guys, it's Shakir Imani here. I'm back for another video. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a wash and go, but I am not using any gels like I normally do. I am actually going to be using a curling custard by this new brand that I have been using for the past few weeks now. They are called Earthborn Organics, and I'm going to use their curling custard, and that is what it looks like. Let me get a little closer. So they actually sent me other products from their line that I actually used for this entire wash day that I just didn't record because recording wash days are so difficult, you guys, difficult. But I gotta tell you guys, my hair has never felt softer before. First I started off with their infused black soap shampoo. That's what it looks like. And then I followed it up with their herbal ACV rinse. And then I rinsed them out, and I gotta tell you guys, before I even used their deep conditioner, my hair felt so soft. Like, I couldn't believe it. Mind you, I have had many shampoos that don't strip my hair and, you know, leave my hair feeling soft, but like, wow, this stuff was amazing. Like, I can't. Mind you, it's very liquidy. Do I still have a little bit open? Oh gosh, this was almost open. This is very liquidy. This was actually not my first time using the soap, the shampoo, or the ACV rinse. And I've used it like 3 times already. And as you guys can see, this little 4-ounce bottle, I'm still looking pretty good. Then I went ahead and used their salted caramel deep conditioner. This is actually my second time using it, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I first apply it, I'm still not used to the texture. Is very, very different than any other deep conditioner that I'm used to. Every deep conditioner I'm used to is very creamy and has a lot of slip. With this is not the case. It's very, very, very thick, and it goes onto your hair. It feels hard, and it honestly feels like your hair is not going to be as soft as you'd like it to before, you know, like as you're putting it on. But either way, I use my steamer. I use a clothes steamer, which is right here. Do not judge me, y'all. Come on, like, those hand steamers are just too much. But I use the clothes steamer as I put it onto my hair, and then I sat under the hooded dryer. And when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, like, the way it goes on is not how it comes off. My hair felt really, 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 really soft. It felt really good to the touch, like, and it was really easy to detangle. But after that, I went ahead and used their avocado leave-in conditioner. Now that leave-in has a ton of slip, and it is in my hair right now. If you can see the little white, that is the leave-in, and that is where I finished with my wash day. So now we're gonna go ahead, like I said, we're gonna try a wash and go with their curling custard. I am not pairing this with anything because, as y'all have seen in my last video, I had quite the wash day, the wash and go fail trying to pair 2 different things, and we're just not gonna do that today. We're not gonna take that L today. So it still got the seal on it. It's my first time using this one. Ooh, that smells yummy. What's in this? So it's all natural ingredients. The whole line I really like. 1, it's black owned. 2, all the ingredients are all natural and handmade. So this one is no different. All right, so let me get a little closer to y'all. I'm gonna go ahead. It's a really small bottle, and y'all know I can be heavy-handed, so I'm gonna have to use this very sparingly. Y'all know that's hard for me. All right, let's just go on ahead. I'm gonna do the raking method as per usual on my strands with like a tad bit of shingling, because ain't nobody got the time. Ooh, my hair feels so soft. I wish that like we had some type of like sensor, like y'all could get like the sensory feel, like the piece of YouTube, because y'all could just feel how soft and how good my hair smells. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and take about this much. So let's take a little bit less than that. All right, so let's see that consistency. Very slippery. It has a lot of slip. I like that, but for my wash and goes, I'm a little nervous. Y'all know I like to have a lot of hold on my wash and goes, but we'll see. Let's see how this turns out. I'm just gonna take this much. What y'all think? Like, I'm dying to pair it with a gel right now, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it rock. Let's see how we look after. I do like the way that it went onto my hair. Even though I like hold with my gels and my wash and goes, I do like something that is a bit lightweight, because I notice when it's more lightweight, it's like it has a nice little fluffy feel to it, and it kind of moves around, it bounces more. So I don't know which one is my favorite right now. Let's see. I'm actually really feeling the way my hair is bouncing back right now. So let me just finish doing the whole head. I am gonna throw y'all on a time lapse, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm finished, okay? All right, so here we are, and I'm nervous because I'm just getting flashbacks of the other day with the other cream that I used, and I'm nervous. Not a lot of definition happening right now, but you know, that doesn't tend to happen for me with creams and custards, so I know the drill. I'm nervous about the flakage. I used some steam as I was putting the custard on to try to get it to like penetrate the strands a little bit more. I don't know. I mean, it's not as white as the other one was, so we will see. Also, considering how heavy-handed I am, I really didn't use that much, you guys. Like, y'all know how I get when it comes. I don't know if y'all can even see that, but I didn't use a lot. Y'all know I can get really crazy with creams and such, and I think I did a pretty good job. So, all right, moment of truth, y'all. I am gonna go and sit under the dryer, let this dry, because we do not sleep on wet wash and goes. And then I am going to stretch it out and show you guys the finished product. Let us pray. Good morning, guys. What do you think? Do y'all see that movement? Because it's moving. What's up, guys? Good morning. This is what we're working with today, and I'm feeling it, okay? I'm feeling it. So, like I already knew, I don't really have a lot of definition, but I don't tend to get that with a curling custard, any custard, or like creams by itself. Only like one cream has really done that for me. But how soft it feels, I'm feeling how light it feels, and it got a bit of bounce, which I love. And guess what, y'all? No flakes and no white residue. Look at that. Look at so I'm happy. I really like, where is this? I'm happy. I really like this curling custard. Also, what I noticed, I was gonna go ahead and put some oil on my scalp just to massage my scalp, and when I didn't even realize how many oils were in this, and mind you, I was reading it to y'all, not even realizing just how many oils are in this, that I absolutely don't need an oil to, like, I feel like, to seal it, because there's just so much in there already. And I've been told that people don't like how much oil is in there. I think it's just important, if you are going to use this, to use it very sparingly, because I feel you, I'm not the biggest oil fan either, but because I was trying not to be heavy-handed, it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels like it's nice and like coated, like it's nice and sealed, you know? So I am happy. What do you guys think? Have you tried this before? Do you guys think you will try it in the future? Let me know. I mean, I'm definitely feeling it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're not gonna talk about how you keep coming to my videos, girl, and you're not subscribed. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Comment below some other products that you guys would like for me to try. You guys know I'm always looking out for the next thing. And other than that, I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.